Hi everyone, this is Chef Rohan from France, and today we're gonna make a special recipe on the Kamado. We're gonna make smoked cockerel, and those cockerel will be crusted with cumin and feta cheese crust, and we will also make garlic and mango sauce. So you will need 1.5 liters of chicken broth, 3 tablespoons of black peppercorns, some red wine vinegar, white wine vinegar, some freshly ground black pepper, some salt, of course, some cumin seeds, and we will roast the seed on a pan immediately. So the original recipe use some cottage cheese. It's a Mexican cheese, but you will not find them in Europe. It's very hard to find, so I will use some feta cheese that is pretty similar. We need 2 fresh mangoes, 1 full cup of fresh lemon juice, 2 or 3 tablespoons of honey, liquid honey, 1 roasted garlic head. I roasted it in the oven for 25 minutes at 200 Celsius degrees, and of course we will need also 2 cockerels. So let's go. The first thing to do is to make the marinade. So it's really easy. We will just mix the lemon juice with 2 or 3 tablespoons of honey, liquid honey, and 2 tablespoons of roasted cumin seeds. So the first thing to do is to roast the cumin seeds. So I will roast 5 tablespoons of cumin seeds in my cast iron pan, and I will not put any oils or anything, just the cumin seeds. Okay, so now for the marinade, we will mix a half cup of olive oil. I forget to tell you that we needed some olive oil, 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, and the lemon juice, and 2 or 3 tablespoons, it depends if you like it sweeter or not, 2 or 3 tablespoons of honey. Okay, so let's go. So now I will put the 2 cockerels in a freezing bag and add the marinade. So if the cockerels are too large, you can split the quantities in 2, of course. So the next step is to make the sauce. So we will blend 3 tablespoons of peppercorns and the chicken broth and the roasted garlic. Okay, we will let that reduce for maybe 20-25 minutes on high heat, and we want to reduce it by half. So you need to puree the roasted garlic. I will use a fork to do it, but you can use a food processor to do it. So the chicken broths are reduced by a half, and it's great now. So the next part for this sauce is to reduce uh, 3 cups of red wine vinegar with 1 cup of white wine vinegar and 2 cups of sugar. I will use cane sugar to make the sauce. 1 cup white wine vinegar, 3 cups of red wine vinegar, 2 cups sugar. Now we will bring to a boil and let's reduce it maybe for 20, 25, maybe 30 minutes. So I reduced the vinegar to a cup. Now we will peel the mangoes and puree the mangoes, and then we will mix the mangoes with the vinegar reduction and the chicken broth reduction, and let's cook for maybe 2 or 3 minutes. Then we will drain it and we will have finished the sauce. So I will bring the mix to a boil and let it cool, and then we will drain it to get the final results. So now I will grind the cumin seeds in my grinder, and then I will mix the cumin powder with some cheese, and then we will coat the 2 cockerels. I will wrap the 2 cockerels with the cumin and feta mix as if it was a simple rub. So now the last step is to smoke the cockerel. I will use my Pit Boss K24 Kamado. You will see that I put just a small quantity of charcoal, and I will use only one wood chunks of cherry. My goal is not to over smoke the poultry. I want a wood taste, but not to over smoke the meat. So the cockerels are really small, about 1 pound each, and I guess that we will need maybe 30-35 minutes to smoke those birds. So let's check the barbecue. I will not use the deflector on the Kamado because the K24 is so large that it's not necessary to use the deflector, but I will put the second grate over the first one to keep the birds at a very large distance, like the Argentine way. For the corn, I will use some. I will butter the cob, and then I will rub the corn cobs with finisher rub that I buy in Texas, and some ajipanca, which is a Peruvian red pepper. So let's go. I will roast the corn cobs in the barbecue with my cockerels, and then I will put them in some aluminum foil. I will wrap the corn cobs, add some feta cheese and some coriander, okay, and maybe some lime too. Some coriander, some feta cheese, So I hope you enjoyed this video, so please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.